Hello and welcome to the channel P3 Talks, Perceive, Practice and Prevail, an online learning platform for complete SSB guidance and current affairs. So let us see what is the topic for today. Army is examining induction of youngsters as officers and jawans for 3 years for tour of duty. So this is basically a proposal which allows the civilians of the country to serve in the Indian Army for 3 years as Last week we saw this particular current affair that India now has the largest standing army. Also we discussed that how China is moving towards the modernization of their army and how India should also focus on modernization of Indian army, and this particular news of tour of duty is a step towards modernization of Indian army. Now this TOD scheme, tour of duty scheme, if this is approved, then there will be 100 vacancies for officers and 1000 for Jawan. Initially it will be launched as an experiment, and if it works fine, then the number of vacancies would be increased later on. Second point is that this TOD scheme is more like a voluntary military service, and please do not confuse it with the compulsory military training which is present in countries like Israel and US. With huge employment in India, India has no dearth of people wanting to join the armed forces. So it is more like a voluntary military service. The option that is present apart from the permanent commission is the short service commission, which is also for 14 years, and almost 50 to 60% of the personnel that are there in short service commission, they eventually opt for permanent commission and they end up getting the pensions. Now let us see why this particular proposal. So the recruitment models are being considered so that more youths join Indian Army as officers and the defense pensions can be reduced. We are already aware that out of the defense budget, we are already spending a lot on the defense pensions and the salaries, and very less amount is left for the modernization of Indian Army. If we look at the figures, approximately 28% we are spending on the defense pensions, 47% on the current salaries, which account for 75% of the total of the defense budget. So only 25% is left for the modernization of Indian Army, which is not enough, and this 25% is again being used for Army, Air Force as well as Navy. So we definitely need to have more budget for the modernization of Indian Armed Forces. Next point is, Army believes that these well-trained, disciplined youngsters who are leaving the Army at a very young age, that would be 26 to 27, and with a good amount of money in their pockets, but no pension and other benefits, they will have a fruitful second career in private and public sectors. Also, they will have good amount of money because the salary that they would be getting in army would be around 80,000 to 90,000 per month, and an average salary that a graduate gets is around 40,000 to 50,000. So it's a good amount of money, and it will help tackle unemployment in the country as well. It will also help reduce the burden of pension. If we talk about Army has around 43,000 officers, and almost 80% of them are in permanent commission cadre, and rest 11.8 lakhs are in other ranks. Also, if we talk about the short service commission officers, they also get into the permanent commission, almost around 50-60% of them, and eventually they will get the pension. So there is a huge burden of pension. Next point, as per the Army study, the cumulative cost of the pre-commission training of an SSC officer की अगर हम बात करें, पे एंड अलाउंसेस ऐड करें, ग्रेचुटी, प्रपोज सेवरेंस पैकेज, ये टोटल अगर हम ऐड करें तो टोटल कॉस्ट वुड बी 5.12 करोड़. तो ये जो टोटल कॉस्ट है, अगर इसको कंपेयर किया जाए टीओडी ऑफिसर से, टीओडी ऑफिसर कितने साल में आपका रिलीज होगा? 3 इयर्स में. तो यहाँ पे जो कॉस्ट आ रहा है दैट इज 80 to 85 लाख. सो यू कैन कंपेयर, वहाँ पे कॉस्ट आ रहा था 10 इयर्स में 5.12 करोड़ और यहाँ पे 3 इयर्स में कॉस्ट आ रहा है 80 to 85 लाख. तो ये काफी ज्यादा सेविंग यहाँ पे हो सकती है. बात हो गई ऑफिसर की. अगर हम जवान्स की बात करें, प्रोस्पेक्टिव लाइफ टर्म सेविंग की अगर हम बात करें, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ एंगेजमेंट ऑफ ए सिंगल जवान जो कि 17 साल में जा रहा है और उसको पेंशन भी मिलेगा, एंड अगर हम एक टीओडी जवान से कंपेयर करें तो डिफरेंस वुड बी 11.5 करोड़ रुपीज, विच इज अगेन huge. ये जो huge amount of money that we are going to save, that can be used for modernization of military. So this was just one step towards the modernization, but a lot more needs to be done. We need to focus more on research. We need to empower our industries like DRDO. We need to have more defense budget. Also, we need to focus on Make in India programs. We are the largest importer of arms. We need to start making our own arms, and then only we can realize the dream of modernization of armed forces. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions related to SSB preparation, you can reach out to us on the Instagram handle, that is P3_talks. If the session was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button. Also do share it with your friends. Thank you.